You will be amazed by this 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 35,000 miles on the this can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, multi-zone AC. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.